Hi guys, good evening. How are you all? Sorry I'm coming live so late. Not live actually, I'm shooting this video a little late. सोचा था कि सुबह ही ये चीज़ शूट करूँ because there are more people who are active, there are people who will listen to me, there are people who would probably relate to what I am saying right now. आज का दिन has been very very terrible I would say because a friend of mine I had also put up a post as my story today in the morning that what kind of an abuse is real abuse, what is the limit to take shit in a relationship, what is the limit to keep taking and not giving it back. हम लोगों को बचपन से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड से सॉरी फॉर दिस लिटिल लॉन्ग वीडियो बट आई एम श्योर दैट women in general who have been or have not been through this would relate to what I am talking about. This is not a promotional post. I'm not getting paid for it. This is something that I want should go from my heart to your heart. It should reach the souls actually. So this friend of mine that I'm talking about had been abused very badly in her marriage. She is trying to adjust in the marriage because obviously हम लड़कियों के पास ज़्यादा options नहीं होते हैं. Options as in you have to be financially independent. Even if you are financially independent, this crappy society will not let you will not let you decide for yourself. लोगों के पास बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं लेकिन उनके जवाब बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनके पास होते हैं जो देना चाहते हैं. She took this abuse on herself for a pretty good long period of time. अपने ऊपर ले लिया and she was living with it happily, smiling, earning on her feet, managing the house, her work, her child, her husband, everything. Until again the abuse came to her, but not to her physically, to her daughter. I would not say the father hit the daughter because उसकी वो आदत बन चुकी है या उसको लगता है कि यही एक तरीका है for me to prove that I am a man. No, probably he was in anger, he was anguished, but the way he hit his daughter was just terrible. I mean, हमारे यहाँ कहा जाता है कि बेटियों के ऊपर हाथ नहीं उठाते. बहुत सारे लोग बेटों के भी ऊपर हाथ नहीं उठाते, बट एक हाथ उठाना और एक किसी को मारकर सुजा देना, these are two real different things, and anybody who has little sense here can make out the difference between the two of them. She was very very upset to the extent that she did not pick up our calls, she did not answer our messages, and we as friends, we as individuals, I can't tell you what the day had been until unless we had not seen her. My question here, or probably what I want to ask from people here is, हम सब married हैं, हम सब की शादियों को काफ़ी वक्त हो गया. I'm sure there are a lot of newly married people also. What do you think is the limit to to be in a relationship? कितना सहन करना is good सहन करना? Who decides this measurement? Who decides what has to be done? Who decides you should be taking stands? Who decides whether you have a backup? Who decides that if you decide to walk out of your marriage, of your relationship, who is going to stand by you? As parents, as siblings, हमारी family हमें कहती है कि take only as much as you can. Like if I talk about myself, I come from a family where I've not seen any abuses, and touchwood I have not. So I don't know the gravity of being abused, and I am married to a man who also does not believe in any kind of abuse. But when you see and when you experience these things around you, there is something in you that forces you to talk about it, and that is what I am doing here today. I am not promoting anything. I am not being I'm not from the man's side, and I'm not from the women's side. I'm talking as a neutral human being today. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अ वुमन. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अगर औरत के ऊपर ये सब हो रहा होता है दैट द सोसाइटी टेल्स हर ओनली टू जिप हर सेल्फ, कीप मम, बोलो मत, फैमिली है, परिवार है, सोसाइटी है, इज्जत है. इज्जत आई रियली रियली फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड ये कौन सी इज्जत है दैट forces your daughter into a marriage which is abusive. I know parents decide best for us, for daughters and for sons, but when you see cases like these, why don't you have the strength to take out your daughter from such a marriage? Why don't you have the strength to talk openly to this society? ये सोसाइटी हमसे ही बनी है, हम इससे नहीं बने हैं. हम आज दो बातें करेंगे, हम लोगों को डराएंगे, हम किसी की बेटी के बारे में बकवास करेंगे, तो वो हम कर रहे हैं. there is a very minute percentage of society who will actually understand what the pain of being in an abusive marriage is. हाथ उठा देना, सिर्फ हाथ ही तो उठाया है, क्यों क्यों उठाया है, किसने दिया उसे वो हक? अगर आज उसका हाथ उठ सकता है तो कल मेरा भी उठ सकता है. तब मुझे कोई ये नहीं कह सकता दैट आई एम नॉट संस्कारी. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे संस्कार नहीं दिए, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे अच्छी अपब्रिंगिंग नहीं दी, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे समझाया नहीं. ये समझ लड़के के पेरेंट्स को कहाँ चली जाती है? So to all the people who are men who are watching this, stop abuse if you are doing it in any manner to anybody, and even stop it if you are seeing it happening anywhere. And to all the women, girls, married, unmarried, moms, old, young, anybody who's watching this video, do not take this abuse in any manner. जितना आप लोगे उतना ही आपको दिया जाएगा. There is no measurement of it. Only your strength and patience can decide what the other person opposite you is doing. Hats off to the women who have the courage to stand for it, and a big salute to the women who have been facing it and have the courage to again stand for it. Stand for your rights. I know it is easier said than done, but you have to do it. So do it and pass on this video if you feel it has little relatability also in the kind of society that we are. Thank you for your time. Have a good night. Bye bye.